Today I'm going to teach you how to change or disable the start page in Thunderbird. This is useful if you want a cleaner interface when you launch the application, or if you prefer to see a custom page instead of the default one. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once it's launched and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. This icon typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings. This will open up the Settings panel where you can customize and configure different aspects of Thunderbird to suit your preferences. The Settings area is where most of the important configurations happen, so it's good to familiarize yourself with it. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left side of the panel. You should see a list of categories. Make sure you are on General. This is the main settings category where you'll find options related to the overall behavior of Thunderbird, including the start page settings we're about to modify. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Thunderbird Start Page. This section controls what appears when you first launch the application. By default, Thunderbird shows a start page in the message area, but you have full control over whether this appears or not. To disable the start page entirely, simply uncheck the box that says when Thunderbird launches, show the start page in the message area. By unchecking this option, Thunderbird will open with a clean message area instead of displaying the default start page. This gives you a more streamlined experience right from the start, and that's how you disable the start page in Thunderbird. It's a quick and simple adjustment that can make a noticeable difference in how you interact with the application. Now, if you'd rather change the start page to a custom location instead of disabling it completely, you can do that too. In the same Thunderbird start page section, you'll see a field labeled Location. This is where you can specify a different URL or page that you want to appear when Thunderbird launches. Simply click on the Location field, clear out the existing URL, and enter the new address you'd like to use. This could be a personal dashboard, a news site, or any web page that you find useful to see right when you open Thunderbird. Once you've entered the new location, the changes will take effect the next time you launch the application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both disable and customize the start page in Thunderbird. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.